Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Ride-hailing company Lyft is set to wipe out nearly 20% of its market value as its disappointing third-quarter results make it the latest casualty of jittery investors punishing companies that fail to meet expectations. The Justice Department announced the historic seizure of 50,000 stolen Bitcoin that is currently worth roughly $1 billion. An investigator called the heist a sophisticated scheme designed to hide the ill-gotten cryptocurrency. Bank of England chief economist Hugh Pill said that he and his colleagues at the British Central Bank were not inflation nutters, but controlling the surge in prices was needed to stop its impact from spreading in the economy. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 9.7% in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Nike's stock dropped 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The US NBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1530 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. The Portuguese unemployment rate will be released at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's Eco Watchers survey current at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Eco Watchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.